Hi there, I'm just going to show you in this quick tutorial how to use Google Books to support your research when you're writing assignments. So here we are on the standard Google page, but I don't want Google, I want to go to Books. So I'm going to go to Books and have a look at that, and then I'm going to have a look for Google Books. So there we go, books.google.co.uk. So we're going to go to here, and here we are on the Google Books search page. Now let's imagine we are looking up referencing skills. Okay, so I'm going to put up referencing skills, and I notice there that if I just sort of hide this for a moment, I've got 72,000. Now what's interesting here is if I just put some quotes around referencing skills and search again, and again if I just quickly hide my settings, I'm now down to 2,260. So as you can see there already I've narrowed down my search because I'm only looking for things particularly about referencing skills. Now I want to come back onto settings, go back onto tools. Now the first thing you'll notice here is that sometimes you can see inside it, sometimes there's got no preview here. So actually one of the things I want to make sure that I'm only looking for things where I can get a preview. I want to make sure a preview is available. Now also there's another really useful setting here, whereas we've got any time, I can set a custom range, and here I can put 2016. So this is now only going to give me stuff from the last 5 years. So here we go. So now we can see we've got various kind of books that we can have a look at. Particularly you'll notice here, we can actually see somewhere inside. So it's got a found inside. This is quite a useful thing. It's not given us a lot here by the looks of it. Let's just have a quick look. Let's move on. No, that's what I didn't think it'd given us much there. But for example, we've noticed we've got Cite It right here. So we can have a look here. And we can have a look at this book and we can see what it gives us. So we can actually have a look to see how we're setting it out. Okay, so when you're using this, you just need to be aware of the fact that I've put up here referencing skills. Well, actually, maybe I don't want referencing skills. Maybe I want to use academic referencing. Again, I'm just going to leave, you notice my spelling can be a bit funny. Okay, so I'll do a search for that. You notice I get the same book here, but I start to get some other books here as well. Okay, so I get all sorts of English for academic purposes. This is quite a good one to look for. So we see we've got a page there. It's nicely up to date. We've got study communication skills. We've got something there. This is for academic writing. So we've got quite a lot there we can have a look at. And we can dip in and out of this. So let's have a look. Let's have a look at this one because I think this one looked good to me. And probably when we come up, it'll take us to, there we go. We've got a referencing section here. We can have a read through it. You'll notice this happens quite a lot where you get this page is blank, this page is blank. So that does seem to be a bit of an annoying thing. Now, what I want to point out here is when you are referencing from Google Books, you actually don't need to reference it as Google Books. This is just the same as if you were reading the book. You notice here it's laid out exactly as it's laid out if you actually had the book for real. So here, instead of referencing Google Books, I would be referencing, here's my referencing information here. Now, you notice how quick that is. Practically any topic you will find you can get dozens and dozens of really up-to-date, really relevant, really credible books to back up almost any point you want to make. If you're making a good point, if you're making a point that is accurate and is well supported, you'll find plenty of evidence there on Google Books to help you with your writing. So I hope that's been useful, and thank you for watching.